Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Wow, my people. Dancehall skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and everyone, you see? Yeah, I have some things I want to talk to you about, viewers and subscribers, you know? Yeah, two topics, you know? Two really interesting topics, you see? Yeah, and they are somewhat sad. Well, at least one of these topics I consider to be somewhat sad, viewers and subscribers. As I say, yeah man, too much bad things are going on in Jamaica. But anyways, so the Jamaica Constabulary Force made a post on social media that gave me the understanding that the Jamaica Constabulary Force said that a person who goes by the name of Ainsley Woodburn, who was wanted in connection with 6 murders and several incidents of shooting, was killed during a confrontation with the police at a place that is known as Belleair Meadows, that's within St. Anne, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica. Yeah, Belleair Meadows in the parish that is known as St. Anne, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica, alright? And according to the post that have been made on social media by the Jamaica Constabulary Force, I got the understanding that that incident that claimed the life of the person who goes by the name of Ainsley Woodburn happened sometime within the month of March, the year 2022, because the date that had been posted on social media in that post, in my point of view, don't seem really accurate. So I just got the understanding that this incident happened within the month of March, the year 2022, you see? Yeah, so according to the post, I got the understanding that the Jamaica Constabulary Force said that a Glock pistol with a magazine containing 7 rounds of ammunition was taken from the deceased. You see me? There's also a picture in the post that have been made on social media by the Jamaica Constabulary Force viewers and subscribers, and the picture shows a person, and the picture also has the word deceased across it. So I say, so just to make you know about you know, that whole situation right there, viewers and subscribers, are about the post itself. So I say, yeah, it's really sad though for hear certain things what go on in Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Yeah man, it's really sad, you know. The crime and violence and all them things, and then the police them do them job, and then persons lose them life and all kind of foolishness, my people. So we just want to see Jamaica come to a nice loving place. That me want to see. Alright. Anyways, I'm gonna move on to another topic, my people. You can let me know what I think about the things that I just told you. Alright? Next topic. So I got information that a man who goes by the name of Jermaine Anderson, who is said to be a lawyer, is facing disbarment, and his fate of being a lawyer is to be decided by the Jamaica Supreme Court. See? And I got the understanding that he found himself in this kind of situation because he failed to disclose that he had been convicted within the United States of America. Now, viewers and subscribers, in my words, and according to words from a news article that I read, and according to what I understand those words from the news article that I read, plus I did some research, I got the understanding that the GLC, that's the General Legal Council, that's a government body that regulates the legal profession locally. Yeah. So I got the understanding that the GLC filed a complaint to the court sometime within the month of February the year 2022, asking the court to do certain things that would not allow Jermaine Anderson to be eligible as an attorney to practice in the courts in Jamaica. See? I also got the understanding that the GLC asked the court to make certificates that had been obtained by Jermaine Anderson in order for him to be an attorney null and void, because they had been obtained by Jermaine Anderson by fraud. See? Now, viewers and subscribers, it's when it comes on to the road to become a lawyer, there are certain papers you're going to sign. Yeah, certain things you're going to have to do, and it's best for you to be honest about your background when you're studying and signing certain papers for you to become an attorney or a lawyer. You understand? Because if you tell lie, it can come against you. You understand? But anyways, according to the news article that I read, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that it had been reported that Anderson reportedly said in a voluntary declaration that he have never been arrested for or convicted of any criminal offenses, and there are no criminal charges pending against him. See? Now, if you give wrong information about yourself in certain documents for you to become a lawyer, it can come against you in the long run. Tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right. Anyways, so according to the news article that I read, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that the news article said that the GLC said they received a letter from the principal of the Norman Manley Law School. So in my point of view, it seems as if that's how the GLC found out about Anderson's conviction. So when you give wrong information about yourself on a declaration in viewers and subscribers, that's false declaration. Tell me if I'm wrong or if I'm right. See? Yeah, man. And you know, if my memory serves me good, Anderson would be the second attorney or lawyer to find himself in a bad situation within the country of Jamaica within the past 2 years of viewers and subscribers. But I can't really remember certain things. So, anyways, I also got information that the GLC made inquiries after they received the letter from the principal of Norman Manley Law School, and that Anderson admitted to certain things when it comes on to his conviction within the United States of America. See? According to words that I read from the news article that I saw or read, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that Anderson pleaded guilty to 2 counts of disorderly conduct for 2 separate incidents of shoplifting when he appeared before the criminal court of the city of New York sometime within the month of July the year 2013, viewers and subscribers. See? And you know, I also got the understanding that he was imprisoned for 1 day. That's for 1 charge. See? And that on the other charge, he was given a conditional discharge for 1 year and was required to complete 2 days of community service. You see? Yeah, and that's according to words from the news article that I read, viewers and subscribers. As I say, so talk about someone's past somehow catch up with their present. And in my point of view, most likely can affect his future. You see me, I say, my people, yeah, man. So, you know, when it comes on to becoming a lawyer, you know, honesty is key. And that's in my point of view. Honesty is key. You see me, I say, we are talking about justice. See? We talk about law. So honesty is key when it comes down to justice and law, them people. See? Yeah, so, you know, I see that topic here on social media, I found it interesting because if you're subscribers, you know, I see this whole topic about Jermaine Anderson had been posted at least one place on social media. If you're subscribers, the amount of comments that I saw on social media where persons are actually saying certain things that are not so good about Jermaine Anderson, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are somewhat defending him. You know, it's like some persons I said that gone already, or some persons I said that I'm past, and all them kind of things them people. You see me I say? But would I like to know what you think about that whole situation there, viewers and subscribers. What do you think? So tell me what you think. Do you think that all of that should be put behind and just allow him to be an attorney, or do you think that he should go through certain legal things that is now being done? You understand? Let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. So I have something there. yeah, I'm gonna leave it right here. So big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'll soon again.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?